We're following breaking news overnight from Washington.
Easter is a very special day for many reasons, and what a great timeline this would be.
As you just heard, President Trump aiming to reopen the country by Easter. That remains to be seen, but in the meantime, the Senate reached a deal on a $2 trillion economic stimulus package that will help American workers and businesses impacted by coronavirus. That agreement comes as cases of the virus continue to climb across the U.S. while the nation remains on pause. After days of back and forth, the Senate will vote on a roughly $2 trillion stimulus bill today.
At last, we have a deal
on the largest rescue package in American history.
The deal includes $500 billion in loans for big businesses, nearly $400 billion in grants and loans for small businesses, and a one-time cash payment for most working Americans.
By that Easter, that beautiful Easter day.
At the White House yesterday, President Trump suggested getting people back to work in less than 3 weeks.
Our decision will be based on hard facts and data as to the opening.
One of the top medical experts on the coronavirus task force suggested it was a flexible timeline.
No one is going to want to tone down things when you see what's going on in a place like New York City.
New York has become the epicenter of the outbreak in America, with the infection rate doubling every 3 days.
New York is the canary in the coal mine.
Governor Andrew Cuomo warned other states to prepare for the worst, incensed the Trump administration isn't doing enough to provide medical supplies.
You pick the 26,000 people who are going to die.
Speaking to Fox News, the president repeated his theory on why keeping the economy shut is worse than the coronavirus.
You're going to have suicides by the thousands.
I don't think he's listening to the science.
Democratic and Republican governors say President Trump should not rush Americans back to work. Federal health officials suggest the restrictions could be loosened in areas less affected by the virus. There have been at least 796, almost 800 deaths here in the United States from the coronavirus. 55,000 people are infected. Caitlin Francis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.